Welcome back to Sister Circle Live. We all know fall weekend belongs to football and the great eating experience of tailgating. Our next guest has scored big and has worked with some of the greats such as Diana Ross, Usher, and more. Here to show us how to take a crowd-pleasing tailgate recipe and bring it to Sister Circle, please welcome Chef Juan Montier.
Yeah. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Yes. Now, we're going to start with some of your background first. You were known as an architect with an interior design business before you got into the cooking business. So what made you get into the culinary business?
Well, you know, I did a reality cooking show, and my wife, who's my business partner and friend,
yes, partner friend,
gave me permission to pursue my passion.
All right.
And Chez Montier, the catering business, was born.
Yes.
And it's been 14 years since then.
Wow. Well, as an architect, before you even put your artwork, your eat work on a plate, you put it on paper.
And
why do you do that?
Well, people ask why. It's because your eyes eat before your mouth does.
That's true, yes.
I mean, your eyes eat before your mouth does. And I believe that the food has to be as beautiful as it is delicious. It just makes, you know, sexy food. We did food for pastors, and they said they didn't want, no, we don't want sexy food. But they wanted sexy food after all.
Everyone wants sexy food at the end of the day.
They sure did.
And you've actually received all access to Tyler Perry Studios' grand opening. So how was that?
That was an amazing experience. We did all the VIP food and all of the green room food, and just to see how powerful, all the power that was there, and all of our young team. My son was there. And all of his associates, and it was transformative.
Well, speaking of transformative power, let's get this meal together. What are we making today?
We are making taco soup.
Ooh!
Taco soup is a new take on chili.
Okay.
You know, now I'm a gourmet chef. You know, we do foie gras and caviar, blah, blah, blah. But I stole this recipe from my mother-in-law, who
nice.
I happen to love. You know, all the other mother-in-laws I've had, you know.
Well, while we talk about the mama, we're going to cook.
We're going to cook because we have got ground beef browning.
Ground beef browning.
And what we're going to do, this is so easy. This is a dump and turn recipe.
Okay, so let's dump it on in while we talk.
So we start off with the red kidney beans. Boom.
Boom.
And you know, when we do this, we make sure that we use all of the liquid from the cans to everything. And we just dump it right in.
Looks like hominy.
That's hominy. Oh, I'm sorry, kidney beans, white hominy, and this is can I say that?
Rotel.
This is Rotel.
Diced tomatoes with peppers and onions.
Diced tomatoes with peppers and onions.
Yes.
Black beans. Whoopsie.
And what kind of things pair well with this dish?
You got them right here. Chips and dip. And we're also going to be serving these, our take on vegetable crudités.
So it's more like a chili dip kind of thing? Like a dippy chili?
This is a dippy chili. Yes, you can dip.
A dippy chili.
Oh, yeah.
So why don't you tell us some of your favorite homecoming or tailgating memories while we stir this on up?
Well, I want you to know that, but before I do that, I want the secret ingredient.
What's the secret ingredient?
Taco soup powder.
Taco soup powder.
And ranch dressing powder.
Well, the secret is out, so it's no longer a secret ingredient. But thank you for sharing it with us.
I have to tell you that my first experience with tailgating on an intimate scale was we did the tailgate party for the AKAs last year.
All right, Rashawn, be happy about that.
It was off the I have never. We served a vegan gumbo base, and they had these were actually all full with crab and lobster and pork belly and shrimp.
Oh, so you just come to us and just give us the meat without all the lobsters and shrimp and stuff.
Here, if you're gonna stir these in too,
this
just makes it pretty.
Now, how long do we let this simmer for?
As soon as it gets hot, you can eat it.
What? The hominy doesn't have to cook down. Sometimes the hominy get a little.
Everything in them cans are already cooked.
All right, so while we're cooking over here, you made a cookbook. So tell us about your cookbook.
Well, because our philosophy is your eyes eat before your mouth does. I would make these sketches for my team to know what the food is supposed to look like. These intricate little appetizers, and my clients got wind of it. My clients got wind of it, and they decided that they wanted it for themselves.
Well, let's take a look at it. Where's it at?
And my wife is an entrepreneur. And where is that book?
Well, while we're waiting for the book, we're gonna do the BAM Surprise Kitchen.
And through the miracle of kitchen magic,
I got in here. I smell food.
I'm gonna get it.
And
we got. Now I want you to know
like a
that
good time.
this could be
Oh, my
made
goodness.
with beef or turkey.
Ooh, this looks
And
so
this
good.
particular version is made with
Just put it right on here.
turkey.
So that's the magic turkey.
So,
Oh, that's it there.
this looks and smells
Yes.
delicious.
My
okay?
God.
So, what encouraged you?
Since you're stirring, would you stir this in? for me?
Yes.
Excuse me, please.
Okay, what encouraged you to do the book?
Yeah.
Again, my clients always wanted a sketch for themselves because they would end up with a dossier of sketches for their events. And my wife, being the entrepreneur that she is, just decided to make money off of it and make it into a
So
book.
I don't want to
Well,
put my hands
And
on
congratulations
Oh, you can.
to
You
you
absolutely
and
can.
your wife on celebrating a 21 years of anniversary, right?
21 years
Yes.
Congratulations.
of joy and happiness, I must say.
Yes.
Do you mind if I drizzle a little cheese
You
on
go
it?
ahead and
Well,
have
I
the
don't
cheese.
mind.
We're gonna have our own joy and happiness. So
No,
thank
I
you, Chef
don't.
Juan. We're gonna eat your food. Thank you for making this game day recipe a breeze.
And thank you for having me.
Thank
Watch us
you.
on Shay Montier's
Yep, all
social
of that,
media,
all of that.
ShayMontier.com.
Boom. He said it for me. So